What if I told you that the rhythms of our favorite music were tied to the tonal languages in Africa? And that's why our creativity blooms. In honor of Black Music Month, let's explore why our tonal languages make us the most dynamic artists on the planet. Our original languages are tonal and melodic, just like music. Is this a source of our natural talent? Yes, and this is how we were able to invent whole genres of music, from Ghanaian highlife to American rock and roll. And only we make the type of soulful, melodic music that influences the whole entire world. And since our original languages were tonal and melodic, just like music, every time we're talking, we're singing. It's in our DNA. Okay, you don't believe me? Okay, so can you pronounce this Igbo Nigerian ancestral name? If not, it's because you're trying to say the name instead of singing the name. You have to sing the name, not say it, okay? So this name is pronounced Ebelechukwu, Ebelechukwu. If you're trying to just say it in a language that's more flat and melodic, like English, you would probably say Ebelechukwu or Ebelechukwu, but no, it's Ebelechukwu. You see the tonality here, the difference? Ebelechukwu. And here's a clip from one of my storytelling videos featuring the name Ebelechukwu. Alexis's mom is Black and her dad is Nigerian. He sadly passed away when she was younger. But one of the things that he left her with was an Igbo middle name, Ebelechukwu.
She never knew what it meant. To fit in at school, she would never tell anyone what her middle name was. She had...
Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chukwu Nonso Captors. I'm an Igbo storyteller. Hit that subscribe button to see that full video so you can see more videos like this on my YouTube channel, all right? And let me know in the comment section down below if you agree or disagree with what I'm about to say next. So let's go back to songs and tonality. Okay, I'll give you an example. The song that we all know, This Little Light of Mine, okay? This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Okay, so I know there's a lot of people out there who can sing that song a lot better than me, but just stay with me on this. That's not the point, okay? So I don't have to know how to read music in order to know that I have to sing that song with a certain tonality in order for it to make sense as a song. Otherwise, if I just said it flat, like this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, you'd be like, what are you talking about? That sounds weird. Like, what are you doing? Like, that's not supposed to be said like that. You get what I'm saying? That's the same way our ancestral languages are. We have to say it with tonality in order for it to make sense, all right?